trail through the valleys here. They decided to build a station at the place, and originally it was named Fitzhugh after the company's vice president at the time, and the following railway town carried that same name. Until 1913 it got changed. There's multiple reasons behind it, but one, the company's vice president wasn't that popular to begin with, and second, he dared to miss a very important event in town, and as not very popular guy, offending the people living there so badly, they decided, no, that's it, which was Jasper. And with the tower here, we're going to swing a little bit after there's a steepness change, so if you want to hold on to the slings above.
哇 ，Silvia 在这。点什么？哇，好热闹啊！你要数，我帮你数1、2、3，那你就直接下去吗？要挑战吗？挑战哦！